making a garland with these cutie patooties from the Dollar Tree and some white yarn. I don't know how much this will get because this battery's almost dead, but basically I made a bunch of tassels. You guys have seen how to do this 100 times. And I'm going to take these pom-poms, and now I'm going to reposition the camera. Oh no, I thought these had stems and they don't. Alright, hold on. So I know, weird angle, but this is how it turned out. These are supposed to look like little ghosties. What do you guys think? It was just something fun. Hubby's gonna hang it up for me when he gets home tonight, and I will do a video with it along with the other sign that I've got up there that I fixed earlier that you saw in another video. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.